How do I dispute mistakes on my credit report? Disputing mistakes on your credit report is an important step in maintaining a good credit score and ensuring that your credit report is accurate. There are several steps you can take to dispute mistakes on your credit report. Review your credit report. The first step in disputing mistakes on your credit report is to obtain a copy of your credit report from each of the three major credit reporting agencies: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Carefully review each credit report for errors, including incorrect personal information, accounts that do not belong to you, and any late payments or collections that are reported inaccurately. Gather evidence. Once you have identified the mistakes on your credit report, gather any supporting evidence that you can use to dispute the errors. This may include copies of bills, bank statements, and other documentation that proves the mistake on your credit report. File a dispute. Once you have gathered all the necessary evidence, you can file a dispute with the credit reporting agency. This can be done online, by mail, or by phone. You will need to provide the credit reporting agency with your personal information, a description of the mistake, and any supporting evidence you have gathered. Follow up. After you have filed your dispute, it is important to follow up with the credit reporting agency to ensure that your dispute is being handled properly. You should receive a response within 30 days of filing your dispute. If the credit reporting agency finds in your favor, they will correct the mistake on your credit report and send you an updated copy. Contact the creditor. If the credit reporting agency is unable to verify the information you are disputing, they will contact the creditor who provided the information. If the creditor is unable to verify the information, the credit reporting agency will remove the disputed information from your credit report. Take legal action. If you are not satisfied with the outcome of your dispute, you may wish to take legal action. You can contact an attorney or a consumer protection agency for assistance. In conclusion, disputing mistakes on your credit report is an important step in maintaining a good credit score and ensuring that your credit report is accurate. By following these steps, you can effectively dispute mistakes on your credit report and take the necessary steps to correct any errors. Remember that it's important to regularly check your credit report for any errors and to dispute any mistakes as soon as possible to avoid any negative impact on your credit score.